Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Seventh Archangel's urgent message for the sign of Gemini. So Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap? So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Okay. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Gemini. Ano ang pinaka-message sa iyo ng ating gabay? There is a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. No? Konting tipid. Budget. And of course, there's the Sun card. No? Parang bigla ka nagkaroon ng mental clarity dito na parang, it's time to take an action or it's time to do something na kailangan ko mag-savings, no? The Sun is a positive energy that brings you into success. And of course, there's a Hermit card na magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan. There's a soul searching, so enlightenment, no? Pagbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan dito. Get more information, angel spirit guides. There is a Knight of Wands. Kumbaga, have a patiently. And of course, slow and steady, no? Hindi mo pwedeng agad-agarin. Hindi nagiging mainit yung ulo mo dito na parang feeling mo gusto mo agad magawa o gusto mo agad matapos. Ganun. Kumbaga, there's a process and progress. Ha? Kailangan mong mag-antay. Takes time. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there is a Knight of King of Swords. There's an information, no? Para pinag-iisipan mo muna, may pinag-iisipan ka dito. At bago ka magdesisyon, parang gano'n, parang may pinag-iisipan ka dito. Get more information na magbibigay sa iyo ng mental clarity. And of course, napaka-stricto daw. And of course, there's the word card. There's a travel. No? Pinag-iisipan mo ba kung mag-iibang bansa ka? Or pinag-iisipan mo ba kung aalis ka? There's something that the word card represent a travel, success, completions. No? What is the Four of Pentacles? There's an Three of Wands. There's a waiting for a ship, or there's a waiting for a result. No? Kailangan mo mag-antay. No? Kailangan mo mag-ipon. Kailangan mo magtipid. Kung may gusto kang bilhin, no? What is the Sun card? There is a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. There's a new offer, a mini offer coming in for you na magbibigay sa'yo ng positivity. What is the Hermit card? What is the Hermit card in your spirit guides? There is a Knight of Swords. There's an anxiety. Some of you, there's a spiritual enlightenment. Kumbaga parang nalaman mo na okay, may something, no? May something behind the scenes. And of course, the Knight of Swords, anxiety, depression, stress, fear, no? Kumbaga, there's a negativity dito. What is the Knight of Wands? And of course, there's a Five of Cups. Kumbaga, may panghihinayang dito. Parang nagkakaroon ka ng guilt, no? Parang sinasabi na nanghihinayang ka sa mga bagay na to. And of course, parang natatakot ka na mawalan, natatakot ka na maubusan, or natatakot ka kumbaga, natatakot ka sa mga possibilities. There's a stress and of course, deception. Okay, what is the King of Swords? What is the King of Swords in your spirit guides? Okay, there's a strength card. There's a strongest energy. Kumbaga, bibigyan ka dito ng matalas at matalinong decision. Kumbaga, there's a confident, no? Kailangan mo maging confident over fear. What is the World card? World card represent a justice. Kumbaga, there's a good karma, a blessing this guys happen, and of course, a balance, no? Magkakaroon ka ng balance, and of course, a good karma coming in for you, na magkakaroon ka ng trouble, no? Baka makaalis ka, o makuha mo yung hustisya na inaantay mo sa ibang bansa. Kung mayroon kang law of or papers na nilalakad by documents, sinasabi sa'yo dito makukuha mo what you deserve. What is the Four of Pentacles and the Three of Wands? There's an high priestess. There's an unexpected moment and reflection. Ibig sabihin, there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Ibig sabihin din dito, kumbaga may bigla ang pagbabago na hindi mo inaasahan. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mong kontrolin yung finances mo. Baka may tendency mag-collapse ang eksena, no? You need to think, twice. And of course, bago ka magdesisyon, na pag-isipan na maraming beses. What is the Sun card? And of course, the Page of Cups. And of course, there's Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. Makinig ka sa iyong gut feeling, makinig ka sa iyong intuition, kasi ihahatid ka niya sa success. So, what is the Hermit card in the Knight of Swords? What is the Hermit card in the Knight of Swords? There's the Lovers. Oh, kumbaga, some of you parang balisa or something. There's a spirituality na ginawan ka ng hindi maganda or ginawa ng hindi magandang person mo. No? Nagkaroon ng spiritual values or spiritual journey. Kumbaga, soul and enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment, but there's something wrong behind you. Kasi meron kang nararamdaman na, kumbaga, nananaginip ka sa of nowhere ng hindi magaganda, mga trahedya or something. Pag nananaginip ka na parang ang lakas ng agos, ang lakas ng bagyo or something na unos or sunog or apoy, something na trahedya na may gumagambala sa iyo. And of course, ako nananaginip ka ng mga patayan, gano'n, something na ganyan siya, guys. Meron kang black magic involved. And of course, kapag hindi ka makatulog, balisa ka, hindi ka mapakali, tas habang natutulog ka, parang bukas ang diwa mo, there's something wrong. May gumagawa sa'yo dito. What is the Knight of Wands and of course the Five of Cups? There's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money na involvement ko. Kumbaga may nasayang ditong pera, no? It's either para nag-invest ka or something na nagpautang ka or something may utang ka. Kumbaga or something na may involved na perang malaki dito. What is the King of Swords? There's a Strength card. Represent a Six of Cups. There's an ex ka. May ex talagang involvement dito. It's an ex, friend, relatives, or kumbaga doon, there's a third party involved. What is the Word card and the Justice card? There's a Four of Swords, no? Kumbaga, okay, thank you. Kumbaga, nasa ano mo nga talaga siya tingin, nasa panaginip mo talaga siya. Kumbaga, pinapasok sa'yo na makinig ka sa intuitions mo, na may taong gumagawa sa'yo. Don't you worry, there's a Justice card. Makukuha mo yung hustisya na to. Kumbaga, makukuha mo yung what you deserve. Pero kailangan mo mag-take ng action, ha? Kasi there's something, ginawang ka ng hindi maganda dito. So, what is the outcome? Outcome is the Page of Pentacles and of course the Eight of Wands. There's some messages coming in for you. There's a fast communication. And of course, there's a manifestation. May makukuha ka ditong bagay na kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo. Ganon. And of course, there's a Five of Swords. Kumbaga, in reverse, ibig sabihin, there's a fair fight. Patas ang laban nito. And of course, you can get a victory and success dito. Magtatagumpay ka. No? And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles, a Seven of Cups. There's a confusion, no? Some of you naguguluhan ka pa. Pero, kailangan mo mag-take ng action. At the same time, there's a Magician. And of course, there's Knight of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Manipulator with the Eight of Cups. Ay, the Magician. Kinasabi sa'yo dito na matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Matutupad mo yung gusto mo makuha. Mamamanifest mo yan. You need to do something and you need to take an action. Magigipatas ang laban at magmakuha mo ang tagumpay and victory sa'yo. And of course, there's a fair fight. The Page of Pentacles, there's a manifestation and past communication. There's a lot of messages coming in for you. You need to take an action. Kailangan mong basagin tong black magic involved. And of course, kailangan mo i-release yung blockages. Kasi some of you kumbaga yung fear at yung fear and deception and of course a depression, hindi na siya part ng kumbaga nararamdaman mo yan kasi may taong gumagawa sa iyo. Mapapansin mo yan parang bakit ako nag-iisip sa ganito, bakit ako ganito. May intindihan mo yung sarili, parang kaya ko pala nararamdaman yan kasi may taong gumagawa sa akin ng hindi maganda, no? Ganun siya, guys. So let's see what is a yin and yang messages. Yin and yang oracle card. Okay. Angel Spirit Guides. there's a doubt and lack, no? Some of you, parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, parang nangihinayang ka or parang kumbaga nagdadalawang isip ka. And of course, Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius, kumbaga may involvement dito by fire sign, no? May involvement of fire sign sa buhay mo. And of course, there's a change, no? Kailangan i-encourage mo yung sarili mo na labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Ito yung doubt is pangamba, di ba? And change, kailangan mo nang baguhin yan. So, what is the love oracle card? Love oracle card represent a wedding. There's a union, no? At the same time, merong everlasting promises dito ang dragonfly. There's a change and heal. And of course, not today, no? There's a, mag-set ka raw ng boundaries. Huwag ka magpapapasok ng kahit na sino at huwag ka magbibigay ng information. So, what is the romance angels? Okay. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partners you seek. No? Yung bagay na hinahanap mo, maaaring nakita mo na. Maaaring siya na nga. What is the messages of energy? And of course, there's strategy, no? So ibig sabihin, gumamit ka ng strategy on how to set the boundaries. And of course, the woman holding a coin. So some of you, kung ikaw ay babae, ikaw ang nagbibigay, ikaw ay umahawak ng finances, no? And of course, if you are Gemini na lalaki, baka yung person mo yung umahawak ng finances. For cross-watcher and of course, Gemini sign na nakikinig at nanonood dito. Diba? And of course, there's a judgment. Kumbaga, dapat naiintindihan mo na lahat ng tao may kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan. And of course, there's a courage, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo talagang labanan ang takot at pangamba mo. Palitan mo ng ano yan, ng confident. What is the chakra? May fear talaga dito, T. May fear. Yung pangamba din. And there's a grip, no? Kumbaga, siguro, nanghihinayang ka sa mga bagay na nangyari from the past. Hindi mo na mababalik yun. It's a part of opportunities and release. Kailangan, ayun sinasabi ko diba kanina, kailangan mo i-release tong negativity or black magic involved. Kasi habang nandiyan pa yan sa buhay mo, hindi ka mag-grow. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Oh, I told you, diba? Ang lakas ng energy. Oh, T, what you need to release, no? Ano yung kailangan mong alisin? Diba? Ang galing. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Your imagination and you see the answer. Gamitan mo raw ng intuition mo, makikita mo ang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And of course, sense of humor, no? Kumbaga sa dami mong pinagdadaanan, dapat marunong ka pa rin ngumiti. Kahit dapat marunong ka ipakita mo sa kanya na you are being okay. Na huwag mo ipakita sa kanya na natatakot ka. Mas lalo silang nagiging wild. What is additional messages? Okay. Additional messages. Okay. There's a teaching, no? You inspire young people to learn. Marami ka natutulungan at marami ka natuturuan. And of course, there's a flower. Working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to other through your life purpose, no? Kung baka muli mamumukadkad at muli kang sisinag na kumbaga magiging maganda ka na ulit. Magiging maganda yung buhay mo or magiging maganda yung sitwasyon mo. Kumbaga magiging maganda at mabango ang halimuyak ng buhay mo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? He that believe on me, the works that I do shall he do, and greater than works that this shall he do, because I go into my Father. See? Maniwala ka lang daw na lahat ng mga gawa mo ay mangyayari. Lahat ng mga gawa mo ay may isa sa katuparan mo. No? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kapag alam mong mabuti ang ginagawa mo, mabuti rin ang kalalabasan niya. So, ibig sabihin dito, kapag may mga bagay na gusto kang makuha, no? May mga bagay na gusto kang makamtan o mangyari, no? Kapag ayon sa kalooban ni God na wala kang tinatapakan tao at ayon sa kanya at maganda ang kalalabasan niyan, ibibigay niya yan sa'yo ayon sa kalooban niya. 'Di ba? Kapag makakabuti sa'yo at makakabuti sa ibang tao, ibibigay niya yan. So, what is angel's number? There's a 333. So, what is the angel's number? I am powerful. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker, assistant of all humanity. Live your truth and be a positive light to others. See? Meron kang instinct and intuitions na kayang-kaya mo mag-approach sa ibang tao na may mga bagay na nararamdaman ka na hindi maganda o kaya mong may mga bagay na nakikita ka na kailangan mong ipaalam sa kanila para maging aware sila. 'Di ba? You have a gift and you are being a gifted. 'Di ba? So, kailangan mo rin minsan tumulong sa iba, lalo-lalo na kung alam mong yung mga nakikita mo ay makakaiwas, no? Sa mga bagay na mangyayari sa kanya sa inaharap. So, what is the messages of life? Messages of life represent everything changes. So, as hope light radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me and transform every situation I encounter. I maintain a positive attitude in spite of any difficult I may receive, no matter the circumstances. I remain of source of true joy. Everything changes when it is about in the light of the divine. See? Alam mo magbabago lahat. No? Kayang-kayang baguhin ni God lahat ng mangyayari sa hinaharap. May mga maganda at may mga pangit na mangyayari sa'yo. Pero at the end of the time, lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay ayon sa kalooban niya at lahat na makakabuti sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay lang na ginagawa tayo na hindi makakabuti sa iba. Kaya, ang bumabalik sa atin is a bad karma. So, ibig sabihin dito, paalala sa'yo na there's a justice na mangyayari sa'yo na what goes around comes around. Lahat ng ginagawa mo may kakakibat na kaparusahan and there's a consequences and all you do that all the things you done may kaakibat na kaparusahan, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo ay makakamtan mo, no? Kung mabuti ang ginawa mo, mabuti ang balik sa'yo. Kung masama ang ginawa mo, masama rin ang balik sa'yo. Tandaan mo, there's a universal law of karma. Tandaan mo yan, may balik at may blessing na parating sa'yo. This is Seventh Archangel's urgent message for the sign of Gemini. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!